Hi, my name is David Ime. I am the inventor of a new product called Rhinestone Genie. It's a home craft kit that allows you to put rhinestones on clothing just like this. And we're going to show you how simple it is that you can do this just right at home. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to do this sample here. Okay, this is a cheer design. So it's got the letters cheer and a cheerleader underneath it. So let's start. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my letter sets. So you have these individual stencils, and we're going to line the stencils up on the board anywhere you want. So we're going to create a design we call our cheer design here. That's our design here. We're going to duplicate this design here and put it on a red background. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get them spaced out the way I like them. And then I'm going to take a straight edge and straighten them out here. Once we got it lined up the way we want it, put the cheerleader where we want it. Wherever the holes appear, that's where your rhinestones are going to go. Now, a lot of people at home are actually putting them in one at a time on a shirt. Now, how long would that take us? Probably a couple hours to do. We got a much faster way of doing this. So what we're going to do is put this in our tray, and we're going to take our rhinestones and we're going to brush the rhinestones up onto our design. And the more rhinestones we use, the more chance of them falling in the holes. So once we got them up on our design, we're going to brush this pile of rhinestones around. And as you can see, all the rhinestones fall in, magically fall in right side up, shiny side up, glue side down. And we're going to keep doing this. We've got the cheerleader filled in here. Just one more hole to fill in. That one's being a little stubborn. There we go. And now we're going to move up to the letters C-H-E-A-E-R, cheer. And we're going to just brush this pile of stones across the letters. And as you can see as I'm doing this, they're all falling in the holes shiny side up. Okay, once we've got the holes filled in, then what we're going to use is a very light touch, barely touching the surface. I'm going to brush away any excess rhinestones. Okay. And we have just out of about 300 rhinestones, we missed just about 2 or 3 of them. So we're going to just quickly grab a couple rhinestones and drop them in the holes here. Okay, we're going to check our design, make sure we got all the holes filled in. Oh, there's one extra. Let's get rid of that one. Pick it up with a wet finger. And there's our design, totally done. Now the next step, let me move this out of the way. We're going to take what's called our hot fix tape and get a little bit bigger piece. And what this is a clear sticky film that's going to go over top of the rhinestones and pick them all up. So we separate this. And we tack down one side. Pull it tight, and with one quick, consistent move, we don't want to hesitate here. Once you commit, go all the way. One quick, easy move. And that goes on top of all the rhinestones. All the rhinestones have a little flat surface that's gonna stick to the sticky tape. We brush it down like this, make sure they adhere really well. So we use a lot of firm pressure now. And then what we do is we just peel back at a 45-degree angle. Just peel back slowly. And as you can see, it picked up all the rhinestones. There's your yellow side. and on the back is glue on the back of every one of these rhinestones. So what we do next is we take our surface, and I'm going to put it on this felt board here, but you can put it on a shirt, on clothing. You can pretty much put it on any item. I've put them on glass, I've put them on wood, I've put them on paper. So a lot of scrapbookers actually use this too. So I'm just going to line this up here on our shirt where I want it. Lay it down flat. I'm going to grab our iron here. Okay, make sure the iron is hot. Okay, you want to set it at the hottest temperature possible. Once you get it going here, what you're going to do is lay the iron on the design for 30 seconds. Don't move it. Okay, so we're going to count to 30 here. Just in my head, I think you can count out loud yourself. We're going to wait 30 seconds here. Okay, that should do it. Now what I'm going to do is just go back and hit them for a few seconds a piece here. And that's it as far as heating it. I think anybody can handle that. And what we're going to do is wait about 15-30 seconds here, and we're just going to try to cool it off a bit here. And then once we're done, we just peel off the transfer film. As you can see, we're just waiting for it to cool a little bit here. Alrighty, so now what we can do is just peel off the film. And there you have it, your rhinestone design on a shirt. That took me what, a whole 5-6 minutes to do? Pretty quickly. How long would it have taken you to do one at a time?